Welcome to CSR Net Chemistry Facts. Hello guys, today we'll discuss the question from CSR Net 2019 December. So two compounds are given here and we have to determine the absolute configuration of these two compound. So this is very interesting question from helical chirality and ANSA compound. So let's start and we will see that what will be the correct answer. Hello guys, so in this question these two compounds are given. Okay, so this question came from the helical chirality. So helical chirality. So guys, we know helix, right? So this helix also have a rotation, right? So this helix can be, so here you can see this helix is rotated in this way, so that is the anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise rotation, and this anti-clockwise rotation denoted by the M. M means actually it represents the minus. Okay, and here this is a clockwise rotation, and this clockwise rotation is known as P. P means actually that is a positive. So guys, here if you see, this is the given molecule, and this group, this benzene ring in the upper and this is in the below. So this is upside, this is below side. So therefore from the upside to below side, if we come, then this is the rotation, and this rotation is the anti-clockwise rotation. And anti-clockwise rotation means this is a M type of compound. Okay, so guys, this is the M configuration. So we understand this one. Now we will come to this one. So this compound is known as the ANSA compound. Okay, ANSA compound. So what is ANSA compound? ANSA compound is a benzene ring or a aromatic ring where the 1 and 4 end will attach with to heterocyclic ring or to heteromolecule like oxygen, and that will attach with a polymethylene ring. So guys, this is known as a ANSA compound, and this ANSA compound also have a chirality. Depends on this polyethylene ring is the upside, or this one can go to the downside as well. So based on that, it may have two enantiomers. Okay, and guys, we have to understand this ring flipping means the upside to downside is easier for a macrocycle ring. So if n equal to 8, in that case n means this is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n equal to 8, in this case that is a dissolvable, means we can differentiate R and S configuration. But n equal to 9 case, it is very difficult to understand that R and S configuration differently. So in this case, it is actually very easily decimizable. And n equal to 10, in this case it is a non-dissolvable, because here we always get the racemic mixture, because ring flipping is so easier for this case. Okay, now in this case, how to determine the stereochemistry? So we have to determine a pilot atom. So what is known as the pilot? What is the pilot atom? Pilot atom is that which one is not in the plane of this benzene ring or this aryl ring. See, this oxygen is the plane of this ring, right? Because this all oxygen, this bromine and this 6 carbon of this benzene ring is actually in the same plane. So that pilot atom should not be in this plane, but the pilot atom should attach with one atom of this plane. So here you can see this CH2 and this CH2, these two CH2 are attached with this oxygen and this oxygen respectively, and hence this two CH2 is not in the plane of this benzene ring, but it is attached with a atom in the same plane. So therefore these two can be a pilot atom. But guys, we have to see the priority. In this case, the bromine is the most priority element, and hence it is closer to this CH2. So therefore we have to take this CH2 as a pilot atom. So this is the pilot atom for us. Now after that, after choosing the pilot atom, we have to give numbering. The numbering will start from the atom which lies in the ring and attach with the pilot atom. So therefore here it is oxygen. So oxygen will get 1, and it will sequentially increase towards the high priority group. So here the high priority group is bromine. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, this is the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you see from 1 to 4, this is a clockwise rotation, right? So clockwise rotation will give the R configuration. So guys, this compound is in the R configuration. So this is the R configuration, and this compound is in the M configuration. So guys, we understand that compound number 1 has the absolute configuration M, and compound number 2 has the absolute configuration R. So the option number 1 is the correct answer. So guys, hope you enjoyed this all detailed analysis, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel, and please share this channel with your friends, and I will come for the next video tomorrow. Thank you so much.